Hello, what's up? This is your girl Boofy Barrett, and I will be showing you how to apply your strips. I have my Kiss strips. They're a very nice dramatic lash, carefully removing them from the packet. You're going to need your tweezers, your strips, and yes, some lash glue. I prefer the variety that's kind of tacky, like a weave glue. Um, so you want to grab your lashes at the center of the strip so that you have a nice grip on it. Measure them according to your lash length. I have very long lids and big eyes, so I didn't need to cut or anything. So I'm placing the glue along the length of the strip carefully. You don't want to use too much. If you do, just wipe it off. And sit it right on top of your lash is as close to the lid as you possibly can. Once you have them sitting on your lashes, and I have very little lashes, you guys, so if I can do it, you can do it. Position them, use your tweezers to manipulate that lash and move it around the lid. You want to definitely ensure that it's secure because no one wants, it's very embarrassing when your eyelashes are falling off, okay, especially in public. But yeah, and then you want to use the back of the tweezers to just wipe off any excess glue that got on top of your lid. That's looking nice. So then we're gonna take the other one, and as I said, hold it right in the center of the strip. Get a nice firm grip. You gotta have steady hands. And then apply some lash glue along the length of it. I blew on it a little bit just to make it more tacky. You know what I mean? Because if it's too liquidy when you sit it on there, sometimes it can get a bit messy. So I didn't do that with the first eye, but I remembered to do it with the second one. And now see, I'm just using my tweezers to manipulate my lash or the strip on top of my lash, somewhat even pressing the tweezing and squeezing down using the tweezers, so that I can bind to my lashes. So you can definitely expect to lose a couple lashes, but it is very pretty. You see, I have my lash batting technique very much down, and yeah, with a little bit of makeup I am feeling myself. And so if you want to feel yourself too, just be sure to watch my video. I want you to make sure that you just use your common sense, think about physics, the laws of physics. Be very careful. As I said, use the tweezers to your advantage. Squeeze at the very center of the strip, so that you can have a good grip on it and be very stable in the way that you're able to hold that lash as you try to place it onto your own lashes. So if you like this video, if you feel like it's informative, like, share, and subscribe. Also feel free to comment below, hit any notification bells or whatever, so that you can be aware of when I'm dropping my next informative video. These videos can be random. They're not always about beauty. Sometimes you might need to change your tail light or something. If I know how to do it, I'm going to show you how. So welcome and thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.